Graham, we're here at EMO, F Save, new product from Filtermist. Tell us all about it, please.
Thank you. So yeah, very excited to be here at EMO in Hanover. So this week we have launched the F Save. So the F Save is to reduce energy consumption on filter mist, oil mist extraction units.
Yeah, in the UK in particular, but not exclusively the UK, energy prices is going crazy.
Yeah.
So just tell us how this works, if there's an ROI calculator, things like this.
Yeah. So firstly, it works. So traditionally, oil mist extraction units and filter mist units are not wired into the machine tool. So when the machine tool is switched on, you have to press the secondary stop-start button. That stop-start button obviously fires up the filter mist unit and it will run until you press stop. With manufacturing, with machine tools, they might run a job for 1 hour and then shut down the machine tool, but the filter mist unit is still running, so you're wasting energy. So with this system, it's plug and play. It is wired into between the isolator and obviously the motor of the filter mist unit, and then from this we can wire to coolant pumps. But we don't interfere with the electrics of the machine tool. That's the important thing. What we're doing, we connect a current sensor, and this current sensor here will connect up to 4 coolant pumps to the actual F Save unit. And from this current sensor, that will detect when the machine tool switched off. You're not obviously pumping oil into the machine tool, so we can then switch off the actual F Save unit. We'll switch off the filter mist unit.
Okay, and if we look at obviously there's an investment to factor in here. So where is the saving? I'm guessing in the UK it's relatively short period of time.
Yeah, so in the UK, obviously we know energy prices have risen substantially in the last four years. They won't be going down, and we basically developed this for return on investment, but also to meet sustainability goals. Very important now. CO2 reduction is really going to be with us for years to come globally, but this unit meets those objectives, and return on investment for a FX7002 unit would be 9 months on one unit. So the savings are there. When you have multiple units in a factory, 20, 30 filter mist units, an F Save per unit, then you're going to really start saving money.
And like you say, our job's to leave the environment in a better place than we found it, isn't it? And if you can save money along the way, win-win.
Yeah, everyone wants to save money. Who doesn't? So basically, the F Save gives the ability for any company, anyone with a filter mist unit connected to a machine tool to save money.
So very simple, but so very effective, right?
Very, very simple. It's out of the box, plug and play. It looks great. It meets all the regulations. It's all CE marked, etc., etc. So you fit it and then forget about it.
And just a final one for me, this can be retrofitted to existing units in the field?
It can be retrofitted to any filter mist unit. So retrofitted, we offer it as a package on new systems and new units. So yeah, it's fully available, easy to wire up. And in the UK, we're offering a installation. So if you order a filter mist unit and the F Save, we will install it as part of the package for free.
Great. So for me, it's a bit of a no-brainer, save money. Why wouldn't everyone invest?
Well, they are investing. We're already seeing a massive demand for this product in the UK. We've been marketing it now for around 6 weeks. The official launch is at EMO this week. So we're seeing a massive demand and massive amount of interest from a whole range of companies.
Great, and just for the viewers at home, how can people find out more information? I know you've got a distributor network as well.
So yeah, go to filtermist.co.uk or filtermist.com. You will see an F Save page on there. On that page you will see an energy saving calculator. So put in your kilowatt hours, your type of unit you might have already have or you're going to be buying. And from there you can calculate your cost reduction and also your return on investment and your CO2 reduction. So all that detail is actually there. It takes 2 minutes to input, and you can find that on filtermist.co.uk.